Hi all, Nick Silverstein here. I've made another guide yet again for you guys, and this time I'm supporting a new model that I've never made a video about and I've never supported before. So now I'm doing a tutorial for the E60X30s. I made a guide for the 60X30s. I made an EFI folder for them, and this is for Catalina on the E60X30s. It works for all the models. And here's the guide. It will be available in the description of the video. It should be good for the latest version of Catalina that comes out in a month, or within the next maybe couple weeks, because it says it will come out in October. And this guide should also work for Sierra through Mojave as well. So Sierra, High Sierra, Mojave, and Catalina. Alright, I hope you guys enjoy it. Alright, please subscribe. Please like this video. I'm trying to get 50 likes. And please share this video on Facebook. It really helps me out. It tells YouTube that, you know, I'm making content that you guys enjoy and you want to see. And also, please, if you can, donate to the channel. It really does help out. Any amount is helpful. I only Hackintosh models that I own, so donations really help out. So they help out getting new models that I can support. So alright, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I hope you guys like this video. And I hope you guys like the guide. Let me know if it works for you, if it doesn't. Alright, have a nice day. Alright, bye.